Good morning, everybody. You all are welcome in a new session of Learning Digitally. Today, we are going to learn our new and the next practice set of arithmetic progression. We will be dividing practice set 3.3 into two parts. We will be seeing the first 5 questions today and the last 4 questions in the next session. So, let us see what is the next topic. In our last session, we have learned about what is the nth term of any arithmetic progression, which is given by the formula Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1d. So, the next topic of this chapter is sum of the first nth term of an AP. Sum means addition. So, here this also is given by one formula Sn is equals to n upon 2 in a bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. So you are all aware of the given term over here. A is the first term, n is the number of the term, d is the difference between the two consecutive terms. The sum of the term can also be calculated by the next formula, which is n upon 2 in a bracket first term plus last term of any arithmetic progression. If you know the last term of any progression, you can use this formula, or if you don't know, then you can use the previous formula. Both formulas will give you same answer. So we'll revise once again formula. Sn is equals to n upon 2 in a bracket 2a plus n minus 1d, or Sn is equals to n upon 2 in a bracket first term, that is t1, or a added to the last term, that is tn. So let us see practice set 3.3. Question number 1. First term and the common difference of an AP are 6 and 3 respectively. Find the sum of 27 number, means S27. So you will see it is given in the activity form in the textbook, where the value of A is 6, D is 3 and S27 we are calculating. So we have to fill the boxes. So first, always it will be the formula n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Then you can see the value for n is written, 2a is written, 2 multiplied by 6 is 12, n is 27, the value for d is 3. So every time we have learned, we simplify the bracket first. So we'll simplify the bracket, which is 12 plus 27 minus 1 multiply by 3. So after simplifying the bracket, we'll get 90. So 2 and 90 are even number which are divisible. You will get 45. So 27 multiplied by 45 is 1215. So the sum of 27 number is 1215. So you have to just fill the boxes. You can calculate and see whether the answer is correct or not. Let us see question number 2. Find the sum of first 123 even natural number. First 123 even natural number. So you know that even natural number are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So here the value of A is 2, D is 2. As you can see, it is a sequence, it is an AP. So A is 2, D is 2 and N is 123. There are 123 natural number. So the N is 123. We have to find out the sum of 123 natural number. So we'll take the formula. We'll substitute the value. Sn is equals to 123 upon 2. 2 multiplied by 2. 123 minus 1 multiplied by 2. So we'll simplify it. 123 minus 1 is 122. 2 is common. So in a bracket here we have 2 plus 122. So 2 will get cancelled. We have 123 multiplied to 124. So multiplication will give you 15,252. So therefore the sum of 123 even natural number is 15252. Here the thing is just you have to substitute the value in the formula and use the BODMAS, which you have learned in the previous standard. Solving the bracket first, simplifying if there is a bracket inside the bracket, then multiplying and then adding. Let us see question number 3. Your third question is similar to the second one. I have given that question as homework for the practice. Let's see question number 4. In an AP, 19th term is 52 and 38th term is 128. Find the sum of first 56 term. So here, to find out the sum of anything, you should know what is the first term and the common difference, which is not given. Instead of that, 19th term and 38th term is given. So this kind of question we have done in practice at 3.2. This will help us to make the linear equation. After getting the linear equation, we can find out the value of A and D. So let us see. For an AP, let A be the first term and D be the common difference. T19 is equals to 52 and T38 is equals to 128. It is given. So we will use one value to make the first linear equation, which is T19th value. Since Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1D, so T19 is equals to A plus 19 minus 1D. So the value of T19 is 52. 19 minus 1 is 18. That is A plus 18D is equals to 52. So you can see it is a linear equation having two variables A and D. Same way we are going to use the value of T38 to make the next linear equation. So it will become A plus 37D equals to 128. So now we'll add equation 1 and 2. We'll write the equation. So after adding, you will get 2A plus 55D equals to 180. So we are finding the sum of 56 term. So when you will find the sum of the 56 term, 56 minus 1 will become 55. So we will not simplify here it more. We will directly go on to the formula of Sn. We will put the value. S56 is equals to 56 upon 2 in a bracket 2A plus n 56 minus 1D, which will become 2A plus 55D, and 56 upon 2 is 28. So we have the value for 2A plus 55D, that is 180, which has been shown in the equation number 3. We'll put the value 180 and we'll write from third. So now 28 multiplied by 180 is 5040. So therefore the sum of first 56 term is 5040. So you should understand now, when A and D is not given, instead of that the term of another value is given, the value of another term is given. So you can use that term to make the linear equation and find out the value of A and D and put in the formula. Let us see the next question. It is the question number 5, but here it's showing the question number 4. Complete the following activity to find out the sum of the natural numbers between 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4. So here this kind of question we have done in the practice at 3.2, where it is asked you that there are how many terms which is divisible by 4. But here you have to find out the sum of that number which is divisible by 4. So before that you should know how many numbers are there. So to find out how many numbers are there, we are going to find out the same way we have found out there. So it is given in the form of activity. So between 1 to 140, natural number divisible by 4 are 4, 8, so on till 136. Okay. So how many numbers are there? That will be n, which is first we are going to find out. So here the value of n we are finding out to question mark. A is 4 and divisible by 4, which means the difference will be of 4. So we are going to put the value in the formula. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1D. So the value of Tn is 136, which is printed. The value of A is 4 n minus 1 as it is, and d is 4. So here I have shown you the calculation in the previous practice set. You are going to follow the same pattern and find out n, which you will get 34. Now, which means there are 34 numbers between 4 to 136 which are divisible by 4. So we are going to find out the sum of that 34 number. So the formula is n upon 2 in a bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Now there will be a substitution. S34 is equals to 34 upon 2. Then 2 multiplied by 4 plus 34 minus 1 multiplied by 4. Now you are going to resolve it. You are going to calculate it. And the answer is 2380. Sum of the numbers from 1 to 140 which is divisible by 4 is 2380. So now, what about the activity based question? How you are going to do it now? Now when activity based question comes in an exam, you are requested to fill only boxes. You will fill only boxes and do the calculation part roughly somewhere. But now in a fair notebook, you are going to do the calculation part properly. I don't want this question to go as in the activity form. You start calculating from the starting. You use two formula, the formula of Tn, find out n properly, then put the value of n in the formula of Sn and calculate all the steps properly and find out the sum of 34 number. So today we have learned about the sum of the first number of an AP. We have solved practice set 3.3. We have solved all the first 5 sum of the practice set. Third one I have given to you all as a homework to practice. You will practice it first and then you will write in the notebook. Next 4 sum, that is your sum number 6, 7, 8, 9, we will be doing in the next session, which is on Monday. Thank you.